Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Mahashivratri to all. So I am back with so many vacancies and I'll be starting with the Ministry of Labor and Employment. So they have recently published a vacancy and the designation which they would be offering you is of presiding officer. Place of posting would be Mumbai and date of vacancy as you can see. This advertisement has been published on 17 February 2025. You can see in the upper part. And as I always mention, that do register yourself in your respective bar association of your state so that your practice gets counted. Since the day you will be registering yourself in your bar association. So for this particular post, uh, they would be paying to like 25,000 per month. And let's see the eligibility criteria for this particular seat designation. So basically, you need to fill up the form and you need to send on the given address, which they have mentioned in the paragraph number 3. And this is the application form which you need to fill up. This is the declaration. I think for many of the vacancies, this has become a standard SOP standard procedure, and everyone is following this thing only that you need to fill up the form with the declaration and you need to send that particular form to the given address. And this is a certificate to be furnished by a forwarding authority, and this is a particulars officer on whom vigilance clearance is being. So these are the documents which is essential to apply for this particular post. So this particular vacancy requires experience, and the last date to apply for this particular vacancy is 3 for 2025 by 5:30. Your application form should reach this particular given address. So 5 years they are asking. It's written here application procedure, and you can see. Moving ahead to the next vacancy. So this vacancy has been published by Customs, Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal, New Delhi. So this vacancy was published on 14 January 2025. They are recruiting assistant registrar. You can see the eligibility criteria here. Senior private secretary level 7, stenographer. Uh, Here you can see the eligibility criteria. If you're a fresher, then you can apply for this particular job. Maybe for the stenographer, you don't need experience. And no, let me correct myself. It's analogous post, and if you are already working, then only you can apply for this particular post. I'm sorry for my mistake. And just be careful with the eligibility criteria once. And this is a biodata performer. Just now I mentioned in the previous vacancy that this has become a standard procedure that you need to fill up the form given fill up which the form which they upload on the website. You need to fill the form, you need to send your CV and the form to the given address. Once your forms get shortlisted, then they will call you for the interview. This is the whole form. It's a big form. So yeah, they posted 4 vacancies. So there are total four, five, six. There are 31 posts. 20 for stenographer grade 1, stenographer grade 2 5 posts, senior private secretary 2 posts, and assistant registrar there are 4 posts. Moving ahead, National Commission of Minorities. I think I've already covered this vacancy, but today I'm covering it again because I thought it's a good job if you apply for this particular vacancy. So you can see here they are recruiting legal officer in National Commission for Minorities on deputation basis. So if you get this job, then it would definitely improve your CV as well. So applicants are requested to invariably indicate their email and mobile number in the application form. So see again, you need to fill up the form and you need to send on the given address. The pay is good, but it's an experience job that you need experience for 6 years minimum in order to apply for this particular job. And this is a performer which you need to fill and you need to send on the given address in order to apply for this particular post. And it's a big pro forma, but you need to fill each and every detail. Be very careful while filling all the details. Moving ahead, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So the qualification you can see associate legal one post, and you should be having a LLB degree, minimum 1 year of experience or up to 2 years of experience. You should be an enrolled advocate. You should be, it's a desirable experience, but if you have 1 year of experience, then you can surely apply for this particular job. Preference would be given to candidates who have scored 60% CGPA above marks in their LLB exams and in all your academics, even in LLM. And remuneration would be getting is of 640K. So it's a contractual basis job. Initially, you will be getting this job for 3 years. If your superiors are satisfied with your performance, then they will extend to 2 years. So total 5 years you can work in this particular department. Maximum age limit is 50 years. Leave, it's a 1.5 days leave after completion of each month of service, and annual increment is there 10% and all those things. Incentive is there. So it depends if you know visit court and you appear before the honorable NGT, National Green Tribunal, then you would be getting 1,500 per appearance and maximum incentive per case not more than 15,000. So if they have given the limit as well. So the lower limit is 1,500 and upper limit it's 15,000. They've also given the admissibility of TA and DA, DNS allowances, travel allowances, that if you travel for outstation traveling, if you go for any particular case, then you would be getting how much for that, and stationary charges even they're offering. So it's a good opportunity. You should apply for this particular post. And this is the particular address where you need to send the form. This is the form which you need to fill up and you need to send on the given address. Moving ahead. Now, this is the vacancy circular of Ministry of Environment again, Forest and Climate Change. Legally, contractual basis job, 40,000. Just make sure, I think, yeah, office is different, and this particular vacancy has come up in Shillong. So, this is the Shillong's vacancy. You can read here. This is level A. And the previous vacancy which we were talking about is in Delhi, and this is in Shillong. So, you can see here. Do check it before once you apply. Moving ahead. So, Vahikund Mehta, National Institute of Cooperative Management, they are recruiting, as you can see, assistant manager legal forest offices anywhere in India. For submission online, 28 February is the last date. So make sure you apply for this particular post. Assistant manager is a good designation. Deputy manager they are offering, but people who have PGDM they only can apply for this particular post. So it's of no use to the people who are from legal background. It's accounts, yeah, assistant manager legal. So it's a full-time graduate degree. That if you have degree with 50%, you can apply, and the candidate registered as a legal practitioner advocate also trained the shall be given practice. So if you're a registered advocate, then you would be getting the preference for sure. Maximum CTC would be getting around 12.30, means 12 lakh rupees per annum. 5 years experience they are seeking. So if you have 5 years experience, then you can surely apply for this particular post. Desired key skills they are seeking: do read it, civil courts, district courts, tribunals, high court, supreme court, knowledge of arbitration, recovery suits, check bounce matters, consumer disputes, law related to labor laws, civil, criminal, IBC, and all those things. So if you have a specialization in all those areas, then you can surely apply for this particular post. Maximum age is 35 years. Mode of recruitment: a written test and interview, and you should not have any criminal charges against you. Then only you can apply for this particular post. Moving ahead, Rajasthan High Court, Jodhpur is inviting applications for the researcher. Honorable Mr. Justice Chandra Shekhar Sharma is so there in the Honorable Court, you can apply for as a researcher. There are two posts, and the last date is 12th March, and you can apply online for this particular thing. All the details you can check here. Do let me know in the comment section if you need any help, if you need any assistance from my side. I would be happy to help. Goa Public Service Commission, I've already covered this vacancy, I guess. So 28 is the last date. You have 2 days if you want to apply for this particular post. You can see that how many posts are there. So personal department, vigilance officer, you need a degree in law, knowledge of local laws. And guys, it is desirable that you should have knowledge of Marathi as well. So make sure before you fill this form, do read the details carefully. Government of West Bengal, they are hiring District Child Protection Unit officer in charge if you have PG in law. So I always tell all the people that once you complete your graduation, do pursue your LLM. In many of the vacancies nowadays, they are asking PG candidates. Means it basically it means your LLM. Do complete your LLM once you graduate. So you can apply for counselor officer in charge. Remuneration is around 20-30K. CWA, Child Welfare Officer. So all these provisions you get under Juvenile Justice Act. You can refer to JJ Act, and all these terms you will see under JJ Act. So there are three main vacancies for the legal people who belong to the legal background: officer in charge, counselor, and CWO, Child Welfare Officer, caseworker provision officer, and yeah, that's it. You can see the application form, the official website. Don't worry, I'll be posting all the links of this PDFs in the description box. You can check out from the description box itself. And the last date is 28. Make sure you apply before that. Syllabus you can see here, and details of examination they have clearly mentioned. Basic details they have given. That's it. Moving ahead. Guwahati High Court. They are seeking law clerks, so there are five vacancies. Last date is 28 again. Make sure you fill up before 28. Age limit they have given. There are five posts, so do apply before the deadline. And they would be conducting stage one, stage two mode, written then interview by voice. So you can apply through the official link of the Guwahati High Court, which is given here. You need to register yourself before applying for this particular post. You need to put your signature, photograph, and all those basic details. And there is fee 500 rupees. For SC it's 250, and other categories it's 250. And all the details you can see here. Coming to our last vacancy, it's Haldia Dog Complex. Basically, there is a post of senior deputy manager under administration division, and you need experience for this particular post as well. And 28 is the last date. This is a PDF. So that's it from my side. Do let me know if you need any help in the comment section. I'll be pasting the links of all the PDF in the description box. Also, do like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. I'll be coming soon with videos that how to approach your academic journey if you're a law student, how to pursue your second year, third year, fourth year, first year, and do subscribe. Do share with your friends, guys. It would help me a lot, definitely, and it will even motivate me to come up with more videos, and I'll be happy to share my experience and journey throughout my academic career. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Do like and subscribe, and thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.